Hello, my name is Kevin Ramiro Leona Ponte. The recipe is a brownie, right? The brownie is a chocolate cake with nuts free of a culinary accident. A mistake of a cook who forgot to put yeast to the chocolate cake he was making, but who could it not be good with these ingredients as a base? So this cake crunchy of the outside and tender and juicy was baptized with the name of brownie marroncito. That is this orient. Then thank you very much to the cook who made a mistake.
How to prepare brownies from home. I choose this recipe because it's my favorite dessert. Ingredients: half cup butter or margarine, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of purple flour, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate sweet, half cup brown sugar pack, y alcohol show walnuts. Method: preheat oven to 175 degrees centigrade. Grease AVA inch pan. Combine butter or margarine and chocolate chips is saucepan or low heat. Stir often until medium. Do not overheat. Remove it to hot pot. Beat eggs in mixing bowl until frothy. Add sugar and vanilla. Beat 2 eggs and chocolate mixture. Does this mixture stir. Add flour and walnuts. Stir juice until moisten. Scrape butter into pan. Spread evenly. Bake in over 25 minutes. Cold brownies before cooling. Enjoy. Thank you.
Beyond its tasty flavor, the brownie is an excellent dessert which has interesting benefits. As a good sponge cake, it has eggs among its ingredients, so it has a good contribute of proteins as well as vitamins and minerals contributed by cocoa. In this way, it is a good source of energy, but obviously, due to the amount of sugar and content, it is advisable to consume in doses. Thank you.